I'm going to get my horizontal type tool. The shortcut key is the letter T. The text cursor has a little crosshair at the bottom of it. That's where your baseline is going to be. So to begin point text, all you need to do is click, and you'll get some lorem ipsum text. And it will be in the font and the size and the color showing in the options bar. If you put your cursor right on that icon in front of the font size, that is a scrubby slider, so you can click on it and drag to the left or to the right to increase or decrease the size of the text. That is the easiest way. Use those scrubby sliders. You may need to pause for just a second to let Photoshop catch up so you can see the size increase or decrease as you're using that scrubby slider. Now you can just start typing. As you type, it just keeps going forever and ever. Clear off the canvas. In point type, the only way you can begin a new line is to press return and then continue typing. You need to let Photoshop know you're done typing by pressing the check mark up in the options bar. You can also press the Enter key on your 10 keypad, and that will also set the type in place. When you start typing with the text tool, a new layer will appear in the Layers panel. Text layers are designated with the letter T. The name will have some of the text that you typed in the field